Introducing the Cosmo Fully Electric Treatment Table, Facial Bed and Massage Table by Skin Act. This professional fully electric table is ideal for your day spa and medical spa requirements. It is fully equipped with a remote that controls all functions independently, including height and backrest adjustment. The Cosmo includes a head pillow, which can be removed to reveal a breather hole for any face-down treatments. The head pillow can then be reattached with Velcro. The Cosmo's self-locking wheel mobility is one of its best features. Simply press the handle as shown to begin using the rubber caster wheels to easily move the bed around. Pull the handle back again to lock the bed in place. As a reminder, please keep all original packaging until you've fully tested all functions of the unit. It is recommended to keep the original packaging until the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functionalities. Thank you for your interest in the Cosmo Fully Electric Treatment Table, Facial Bed and Massage Table by Skin Act. If you would like to learn more, please click at the top left of the video screen.